Next stage, quick highlights. Mask is back on. This time we want it a lot thinner. So I'm going to put in a couple of drops of tone improver. Some people thin with water. I prefer to thin with proper thinner, but I decant it into these dropper bottles so it's more controllable. So I'm going to put two good drops of this in. And 8 good drops, so we've roughly got a 4-to-1 mix. Brushing to clean it up. Get some mixing going on in there. And then got a very, very thin mix. The reason I want it thin is because I want all of that shading to show through. So if I start on the bottom, you can see I'm doing thin, short bursts because I'm glazing. And by only putting on a small amount, it means it will dry faster. That isn't holding very well. How much to pull back and controlling the airflow comes with practice. I need more. As if you look, you can see the lighter areas. and the darker areas are showing through. So now I've done that, what I actually want to do is to blend that into red. So, quick skizz out here. As we're blending two colours together, this doesn't have to be quite as perfect. If you're putting a radically different colour in, then you're going to want to be a bit more careful with it. Blowing through the couple of good drops of red. Two dogs barking in the background. But I don't have a screaming audio set up.
Go away. Shut up. All of you.
There are reasons I don't stream. Now we can see we've got red coming through. Now what I'm going to do is start slightly lower and just same process as before. You've got to be very careful when you're using very thin paint and how much you actually let out. Otherwise it gets a little wet as it did over there. The closer you are, the more danger there is of that. So I'm just very gently going down a bit, so I've got a bit more of a gradient going up. making sure I am getting to the places that are actually slightly marked that I might not want it. A bit heavier there than I intended, but hey. Again, dry it off. And just give that a few minutes to dry so that when we take it off, we don't pull the paint, the mask off, we don't pull the paint off with it. While that's drying, I can come in and clean this, but you don't want to watch that.